Secondary education in Pakistan began from the grades 9 and last from the 4 years. After the end of the age of the school year, students are required to pass a national examination administered by the regional board of the intermediate and secondary education or BICE. Upon completion of grade 9, students are expected to take a standardized test in each of the first part of their academic subjects. They again give these tests of the second part of the same courses at the end of the grade 10. Upon successful completion of these examination, they are awarded a secondary school certificates. This is a locally termed as the matriculation certificate or a matric for short. The curriculum usually includes a combination of 8 courses, including the electives such as biology, chemistry, computer, and physics, as well as compulsory subjects such as the mathematics, English, Urdu, Islamiyat studies, and Pakistan studies. Students then enter intermediate college and complete this grade 11 and 12. Upon completion of each of the two grades, they again take standardized tests in their academic subjects. Upon successfully completion of these examinations, students are awarded their higher school secondary school certificates. This level of education is also called the FSC, FA, ICS or intermediate. There are many streams students can choose for their 11-12 grades such as pre-medical, pre-engineering, humanities, social science, computer science, and commerce. Each stream consists of 3 electives and as well as 3 compulsory subjects of English, Urdu, Islamiyat, and Pakistan studies. Alternative qualification in Pakistani are available but are maintained by the examination board instead of BICE. Most common alternative is the general certificates of the education, where SSC and HSSC are replaced by ordinary level, O level, advanced level, level 1, O level, respectively. Other qualification include IGCSE, which replace SSC, and GCE and the GCSE 0 level, IGCSE and GCE as a level 1 are merged by British Examination Board of CIE of the Cambridge Assessment and Excel Intermediate International of the Person PLC. Generally, 8 to 10 courses are selected by the student at GCE 0 level and 3 to 5 at GCE A level. Advanced placement or AP is an alternative option but much less common than GCE or IGCSE. This replaces the secondary school education as high school education. Instead, AP exams are mentioned by a North American Examination Board, College Board, and can only be given under the supervision of the central, which are registered with the College Board, unlike GCE level and the IGCSE, which can be given privately. Another type of education in Pakistan is called the technical education, combines technical and vocational education. The vocational curriculum starts at a grade 5 and ends with the grade 10. The three boards and the Punjab Boards of Technical Education, KPK Boards of Technical Education, and Sindh Boards of Technical Education, offering matric tech course called Technical School Course Certificate, equivalent to 10th grade, and Diploma of Associate Engineering in the engineering disciplines like civil, chemical, architecture, mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer, etc. The DAE is a 3-year program of instruction which is equivalent to the 12th grade diploma. Holder are called the associate engineer. They can either join 3 respective field or take the admissions in BTech and BE in their related discipline after DAE. Furthermore, the A-level qualification inherited by the British education system is widely gained in the private school of Pakistan. 3 to 4 subjects are selected based on the interest of the student. It is usually divided into a combination of similar subjects within the same category like businesses, arts, and science. This is a 2-year program. A level institution are different from the high school. You must secure admission in such an institution upon the completion of high school. The British schooling system equivalents being 0 levels, and A level are usually not taught within the same schools. Tertiary education. According to the UNESCO 2009 Global Education Digest, 60% of Pakistan, 9% of men, and 3.5% of women were university graduate. As of 2007, Pakistan plans to increase this figure to 10% by 2015 and subsequently to 15% by 2020. There is also a great deal of the variety between the age cohorts, and less than 6% of those in the age of cohort 55 to 64 have a degree, compared to 8% in the 45 to 54 ages cohort, 11% in the 35 to 45 age cohort, and 16% in the age of cohort 25 to 34. After the earning their HSSC students may study in the professional institute for bachelor degree courses such as the engineering BSc engineering, medicine MBBS, dentistry BDS, veterinary medicine DVM, law LLB, architecture B.Arch, pharmacy, pharmacy, and nursing, BSc nursing. These courses require 4 or 5 years of study. Arch- the Accreditation Council, which accredited the above professional degree and registered these professional, are Pakistan Engineering Council (PEC), Pakistan Medical and Dental Council (PMDC), Pakistan Veterinary Medical Council (PVMC), Pakistan Bar Council (PBC), Pakistan Council for Architecture and Town Planning (PC), PACTIPE, Pharmacy Council of the Pakistan (PCP), and Pakistan Nursing Council (PNC). Students can also attend a university for Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Commerce, or Bachelor of Business Administration degree course. There are two types of bachelor courses in Pakistan: pass or honors. Pass degrees require 2 years of study. Students normally read three optional subjects such as chemistry or economics in addition in almost equal number of the compulsory subjects such as the English and Islamiyat. And Pakistan studies honors degree required for 4 years of study, and students normally specialize in the chosen field of study such as the biochemistry. BSc honors biochemistry pass bachelor is now slowly being phased out for honors throughout the country.